How to attract friends and girlfriends. The secret to genuine connection. Attracting friendships and romantic relationships is less about doing something and more about being something. Being the best version of yourself. People naturally connect with those who radiate good energy, self-confidence, and authenticity. 1. Work on your self-use. Before trying to attract someone, it's essential to become someone you admire yourself. Take care of your appearance, your health, and your personal and emotional growth. Happy, confident, and fulfilled people naturally attract others. Confidence is magnetic. Speaking clearly, making eye contact, and maintaining open body language convey security. Positive energy. A genuine smile and sincere good humor make anyone more attractive. 2. Be interesting and be interested. It's not enough to be interesting. You must also show genuine interest in others. Ask questions, listen attentively, and show empathy. To attract friends, share moments, stories, common interests, and be willing to support and celebrate others' victories. To attract a girlfriend, build emotional connection. Show who you are naturally, without masks or games. 3. Communication. Is everything. Speak openly and respectfully. People enjoy being around those who can talk without excessive criticism, judgment, or negativity. Be kind. Small gestures, sincere compliments, and encouraging words have a huge impact. Show your values. Talk about your dreams, passions, and views on life. True connection is born from shared purposes and principles. 4. Be present and available. Being present goes beyond just being physically in the same place. It means giving real attention, without distractions, without rushing. Showing someone they are important creates stronger and lasting bonds. For friendships, be there for the good times and the tough times. For romantic relationships, show ongoing interest and respect for the other person's space and feelings. 5. Authenticity, the most important ingredient. You don't need to shape yourself to please others. Being yourself is what builds strong and lasting bonds. Those who are genuine attract people who truly match their essence.